Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. It's Emanes here and I'm here with another video on Wave Wallet, which of course has finally announced their listing date, of course. So on the 25th they did their public sales and it sold out in about 30 seconds or so. And of course, finally they have announced their listing date. Of course, Mex will be listing Wave Wallet on the 31st of March 2025. So this is a very huge news, and of course, KuCoin as well will be listing, and I think BingX would also be listing. So these three exchanges have been confirmed to list, of course. So on the 31st, so Wave will be going live on the 31st. From what I've found out, the total supply is 1 billion and the circulating supply on listing will be at about 83 million. And at the same time, Walrus of course has actually gone live. Walrus is a testnet that is basically built for storage and all that on SUI Walrus protocol. They have gone live, and of course their listing price would actually excite you. And what they are currently doing is great. They are building a very big project, and I actually love what they are doing. And it's also on SUI, like I said, and this project is like a brother to Wave Wallet. So both meaning that the listing price for Walrus will be the same or around the same price of what Wave Wallet will list at. So let's just go and search for Walrus on BitGet to just show you guys what the listing price was. So if you come to BitGet, as you can see, they said Walrus listed at $3.3. Of course, you know this is just normal volatility on listing and fluctuations and all that. So that's basically what that is. They did not list at that point. They listed at 0.3. So as you can see right here, this is their listing price. So okay, 0.96 rather. Sorry, as you can see. So 0.96. That's what they listed at on BitGet, and it's currently at 0.05 0.5 rather, sorry. So Walrus Foundation raised about $140 million, okay, in seed phase, of course. And you can see this is the key data. The fully diluted fully diluted valuation is $3 billion. $3 billion. The all-time high is 0.8, and the current circulating supply is 1.5 billion, which of course SUI Wave circulating supply is 83 million. From all my findings and reading through their economics, I found out that it will be 83 million out of the 1 billion, of course, meaning that their market cap might be very huge. So I'll be dividing this market cap by the circulating supply is 1.5, so I'll be dividing it by 7 to check, or okay, I'll be dividing it by 10 to estimate what the Wave's current listing price might just be. So this of course is not is just a prediction. That's one thing you have to understand. When I do price prediction, it's just a prediction, not the actual price. So let me just show you guys what that might be. So know that only 20% of your allocation will be available on the listing date. So $700 million divided by 10. Okay, let me just say divided by 11. That's 63. So if this is the market cap for seed, and let's say they have a circulating supply of 85 million on listing date, it means that the listing price might be up to 0.7, or the price might rise up to 0.7, which is very possible. Very possible, of course, I must say. So 0.7 times let's say you have, they are releasing 200 for you, so you'll be making about $149, which isn't really bad, but is way less than what I actually expected Seed to what I actually expected Wave Wallet to actually do. I expected them to perform better and their allocation should be much more. But unfortunately, the allocation is low and their vesting is crazy, honestly. So this is my allocation on TGE 96. So that will be my allocation on TGE 96 waves. So I'll be making $71 if 0.7 is the listing price, of course, which might not be, of course, we know. Like I said, all I'm doing is just a price prediction. The price might be more or less than. So I want to say a very big thank you for watching this video up to this point. If you have, anyway, thanks for watching this video, and of course, see you on the next one as usual.